Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this cable clip kit. So this is to keep your cables organized, 40 pieces. Check out the back. All right, so this is to keep my cables organized in my car, office, all that good stuff. Has 3M, looks like double-sided sticky tape from 3M, which is great. And then black, I got this in color black. Oh, there's some tape here. There we go. And I'll drop a link in the video description below on where I ordered these from if you're interested. All right. Did it. Wow. So this is what the cable clip looks like. It's really nice because it's opened on the side closest to us here on this side, and then it's open here on this side. So you kind of snake the cable through here. Then you connect it to this 3M double-sided sticky tape, best double-sided sticky tape brand in the world, in my opinion. Yeah, cool. Let me know what you think of these cable clips in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and I will catch you in the next unboxing video. Later.